Okay, today we're gonna go to M.O.T CNC, check about some pieces that we got for a project we're putting together, a 70 Roadrunner automatic shifter, make it look like a pistol grip automatic. We are at M.O.T CNC picking up some parts for one of our cars. Leroy, of course, on the job. What'd you do, Leroy?
Well, custom bent some rods for transmission linkage and custom made a bracket.
Gotcha.
And
you actually threaded the ends too, like Brandon told me. So this is the piece that you made from this. This is the new piece?
Yep.
Wow. See, you got the little set screw in there too.
It's got a standard 10/32 thread Allen head set screw in it.
That is nice. That is nice. So the only thing we got to do, we could take this, or you want us to come back when you do the third rod, or what do you want us to do, Leroy?
Because I have.
Oh,
this.
you need one more of these too?
No, just one more of these. That's it.
Did we tell them to originally?
Yeah, I said one of these too, but we got crossed.
All right. So,
Yeah, somewhere along the line we got.
but it's
crossed
no.
up.
If you made this, you can make another one.
Oh,
Look at
yeah,
this.
I got plenty of material here
This
to
is
make
incredible.
it. If you don't mind, I'll just hold on to
No problem.
these to give me the time to make it.
There's no rush for the second one. But I'll pay for this one.
Come back for the other ones.
But you have the dimensions on this
Oh, this is
That's also why I used to hold on to this, just to make sure that I get it like perfect.
Okay, cool.
All right, cool. We are out.